So today finally we are here Wahrilang road, and then we going the Nongstoin. So this is a beautiful place to look. You see around here you got a lounge and then views down the river also, and then in front of this here have a bridge, and then this is a beautiful view. So let's see. Friends, now you see baby goat, the cars at the roadside, and then here's the bridge. On the bridge you see down the river, it's very clean and then many fish. Thank you for watching. We will see next video.